Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what is considered the best long ratchet wrench on the market. The Neiko 03034A 3/8 Drive Extra Long Ratchet. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this tool promises to make your toughest jobs easier and more efficient. Right out of the gate, the Neiko 03034A stands out with its impressive 18-inch length, giving you extra leverage when working on stubborn bolts and lug nuts. This longer handle means you can apply more torque without breaking a sweat, especially useful when those fasteners just won't budge. The handle itself is designed with diamond knurling, providing a firm and comfortable grip so you won't lose control, even if your hands are greasy or oily. One of the standout features of this ratchet is the finely tuned 72-tooth gear mechanism. Unlike ratchets with fewer teeth that require a wider swing arc, this one only needs a 5-degree movement to engage, making it perfect for tight spaces where room to maneuver is limited. The quick release function allows for fast socket changes, keeping you productive without fumbling around. Durability is another area where this ratchet shines. It's forged from high-grade chrome vanadium steel, which is heat-treated to withstand heavy use and resist wear and tear over time. The head is crafted from chrome molybdenum steel, ensuring it can handle the stresses of high-torque applications. Plus, the polished chrome finish isn't just for looks, it offers corrosion resistance, keeping your tool in pristine condition even after exposure to harsh environments. The design of the square drive is particularly clever. Instead of locking onto the edges of fasteners, it grips the sides, which reduces socket wear and increases control. This feature also means less slipping and rounding of nuts and bolts, which is a common frustration in mechanical work. Switching between tightening and loosening is effortless thanks to the accessible thumb lever on the head. This intuitive design lets you change directions quickly without having to flip the ratchet or reposition your hand, saving time and effort on any project. With an ability to handle torque levels up to 2,340 pounds, this ratchet is built for serious power. It's ideal for automotive repairs, machinery maintenance, and any situation where strength and precision are required. In summary, the Neiko 03034A 3/8 Drive Extra Long Ratchet combines a long reach, durable construction, precision gearing, and user-friendly features into one dependable tool. If you're looking for a ratchet wrench that delivers both power and finesse, this is a smart addition to your toolbox. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.